Hi beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back with this pink and purple cut crease. I'm going to be using my Morphe 30 by 35B palette. And for my transitioning color, I will be using this pink color from the palette. And I'm using a Morphe brush to blend this in as my transitioning color right above my crease. I am just building up the color little by little. Now going back into my Morphe palette, I'm going to use this red shade and apply this on my crease. And again, just add little by little to darken it in. Now I'm going to cut my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and because I do have hooded eyes, I did apply some next to the lash line and then looked up so that I can mark the top, and that way my crease will not be hiding under my hooded eyelid. Now going back in with my Morphe palette, I'm going to use this burgundy color and I'm going to apply this on the outer corner and just pat it on to darken it up. Now I'm going to pick up this fuchsia color to add on the inner corner and bringing it to the middle part of my lid. Now going back in with my burgundy color, I'm going to bring that into the middle part of my lid. And I'm also going to go back in with this dark purple and I'm going to put this on the outer corner and bringing it in together with the burgundy color. Now that I've completed both eyes, I'm going to line them with this Wet n Wild H2O eyeliner in black. Now for the fun part, I'm going to use this NYX glitter primer. And these Emmy glitters, I can go ahead and just add a dab of glitter on my hand, and I'm going to use this Morphe thin brush to apply the glue above my crease. I know the glitter line does not look perfect, but it'll work out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and dip this brush into the glitter and apply the glitter on top of the glue. And I will do the same thing to the other eye. Now these are my really favorite lashes from Emmy Lashes, and I think these are called Glam Lashes. But before I apply my lashes, I'm going to use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to apply on my lashes. Now I'm just going to finish applying my lashes, and now I've applied my foundation and my contour. And I'm going to go back in with this burgundy and purple from my Morphe palette to put on my bottom lashes. Now these two colors, I'm putting it on my inner corner. And I'm going to go back in with the pink color that I used for my inner corner of my eye to put on the outer corner of my bottom lashes. Now I'm just lining them with my Tarte eyeliner. I'm just going to add this blush from my Tarte palette as well as my highlight. My highlight is from my Moonchild Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Because I do want my highlight to pop, I'm going to use this Jeffree Star Cosmetics with the Mani Moa Uranus highlight, and I'm just going to apply that over the Moonchild. For lips, I'm going to use my NYX liquid lipstick, and I am going to mix it in with my Lime Crime Riot color. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed.